Pancit Canton for you. All you need, guys, is Pancit Canton. And you will be needing the pan. I'm gonna get the pan right over there. This cover? Okay. So I got the orange bean. Next, we need to put water on the pan. Next is put the water in the pan. That's enough water. Got the water, guys. Yeah, that's enough. I'm gonna cook the Pancit Canton. So I'm teaching my guys to make some Pancit Canton. Next is gonna boil the water. You're so strong. Let's do this. There. Next is put the top on because the water's gonna boil. It's not that heavy, but that's high when I put it on. Okay, next is boil. Next I'm gonna turn on the gas stove. Okay, it's gonna boil. Kids, you have to stay away from the fire. So let's wait for it to boil. When the water is boiled, we're gonna put the seasoning. Let's prepare the seasoning. Guys, my mama cut the wrapper because I'm not allowed to use scissors. So let's take out all the seasoning. Okay, yeah. I placed the powder in. Wow! It's like leaves and some carrots. Okay, let's watch. Guys, the water is already boiling. So it's time to put the noodles.
Okay.
Let's put one noodle in there. Okay, it's boiling. Because I dropped it because the water is so hot. Next one. I'm gonna put the next one. Guys, let's cook it for 2 minutes. Who's helping me on this part though because the water is so hot and I'm not allowed to touch the water. So kids, be careful. Okay guys, it's done guys. We gotta drink the water. Next, let's put these guys. One is this, it's the sauce. And one is the oil. I'm gonna press it when all the boils are done. I'm gonna put it when the sauce is not coming out. Done. Next, let's put the oil in. So guys, we already put the sauce in. Next, let's mix it. We need 2 forks. There, I got 2 forks to mix it. So guys, we already cooked the Pancit Canton now. Time to eat one. And we need this so we can drink. My Kuya also made a juice. Let's eat, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell and like our video. Bye. And smash the like button. So let's eat. I'm gonna get the drink. Next, I'm gonna put the Pancit Canton there. Well, it's so heavy and hot. But it's okay, I like hot. Well, I like hot the best. I just put some Pancit Cantons in the plate. This is mine, this is Arthur's, and this is Sally's. Because he's already probably big.
Okay. Where's for Mama?